Well, hey y'all, Joseph, welcome to the channel here. Glad to have you out and about. I'm out here shooting my friend Randy, great photographer in the Atlanta area. If you need anybody to do portraits or other things, I'll link his information down below. Rented out a 51.2, and so he's letting me take a look at it, take it for a spin down here by a waterfall. Beautiful area, not far from our houses, and just gonna have a good time today. So I'll give you some of my thoughts and comparisons between the 51.8 RF as well as this Sigma 40 1.4 that I'm shooting with. So far it's a remarkable lens, super smooth bokeh, delightful for video as well. So I'll show you some more of that. So as you can see, it's a pretty remarkable lens, really beautiful. The bokeh and out of focus is just buttery awesome. It also weighs a heck of a lot less than some of these giant lenses that I'm using that are EF class. So the RF system really looks promising, but also looks like a really remarkable set of lenses. So thanks, Randy. Shout out to you and all your great work, and I'll link all that here. But appreciate you watching the video today, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.